In today's fast-paced world, where processed foods and sedentary lifestyles have become the norm, maintaining healthy blood sugar levels is of utmost importance. But did you know that nature has provided us with a treasure trove of spices and herbs that can naturally help regulate blood sugar? In this video, we will explore the power of spices and herbs in controlling blood sugar and provide you with 8 natural ways to incorporate them into your daily life. From cinnamon to turmeric, ginger to fenugreek, these incredible gifts from Mother Earth possess unique properties that can make a significant difference in managing blood sugar levels. By incorporating these spices and herbs into your diet, you can potentially enhance insulin sensitivity, reduce insulin resistance, and prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar. Let's start with cinnamon. Beyond its delightful aroma and flavor, cinnamon has been scientifically shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels, making it an excellent addition to your meals and beverages. Next up, we have turmeric. Renowned for its vibrant golden color, turmeric contains curcumin, an active compound that has been linked to reducing insulin resistance and fighting inflammation, 2 crucial factors in maintaining stable blood sugar levels. Ginger, a zesty root known for its medicinal properties, can be a valuable ally in your blood sugar management journey. Studies have indicated that ginger may lower fasting blood sugar levels, improve insulin sensitivity, and reduce complications associated with diabetes. Fenugreek, with its tiny but mighty seeds, is a spice that can work wonders in regulating blood sugar. Packed with fiber, fenugreek helps slow down carbohydrate absorption, preventing sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. Garlic, besides being a flavorful addition to your culinary creations, has also been found to possess compounds that enhance insulin sensitivity and promote healthy blood sugar levels. So don't hesitate to add some garlic goodness to your meals. Cloves, those aromatic flower buds, are not just a pleasant scent for your recipes. They are rich in antioxidants and have been associated with increased insulin production, reduced insulin resistance, and improved blood sugar control. Oregano, a popular herb in many kitchens, offers more than just a tantalizing aroma. Studies have revealed that oregano contains compounds with anti-diabetic properties, including the ability to lower blood sugar levels and improve insulin sensitivity. Last but not least, we have cumin. Known for its distinct earthy flavor, cumin may aid in insulin secretion, help reduce blood sugar levels, and contribute to better overall glucose control. Incorporating these incredible spices and herbs into your daily diet can unlock their power in managing blood sugar levels naturally. However, it's crucial to remember that consulting with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian is essential before making significant changes to your diet.